Greetings, my fellow foolish mortals. Welcome to Scare Factor. I'm Vince with Georgia's Team Skeleton Crew, and we are here at Lake Joy Trails of Terror. As you can see from my friends around, it's going to be interesting. So, with no further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Wow.
You smell tasty. You want to stay?
Mama.
Ooh,
Hello,
you
Mama.
Make meals for a lot. I love it. Stay for dinner.
We gotta go.
Yummy.
Silent zombies. Oh my God, she's upside down. Wow. Creepazoidal. Oh my God. Uh-oh.
I think we went the wrong way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Uh-oh. Hospital. Oh God, oh God. That creepy guy. Jonathan.
No.
Oh, she looks great. Wow. She's saying 9 is no German for no. Is it really that way? She's a liar. Faking us out. Fetus aim.
Don't go in! He'll get you! Don't go in there!
Where are we supposed
No! Not another one! No, please! He'll get you! Don't go! Don't go in there! I'm begging you!
Nice.
Wow. Don't go, please help. Listen to the same thing.
I don't think it's safe here.
No. You're gonna help me, right?
I've got my hands full.
Oh.
Think he's chasing me.
Oh God.
Why did they decorate by hanging them from the ceiling?
Hello,
Oh,
girls.
goodness.
Wow. Uh-oh. She's coming out of the well. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. Wow. Oh wow. That is creepy. Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh wow. Wow. Oh shit. Wow. Jeez.
Go
look.
wrong way.
Oh.
Thank you.
Wrong way. Wow. What a voice. Oh my God. Hi.
How does one walk through all this?
Wow. Wow.
Out came the eggs,
Oh.
nice and fresh. And when the babies hatch, they'll rip apart your flesh.
Oh God.
Don't get caught.
Oh,
Where is this spider?
it is spider zone.
Oh my God.
Babies want babies.
Oh my. Oh my God.
Taking some web with me. Oh, we got to go underneath this.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Where you going?
Getting too old for this.
Lean with it.
Oh shit. That's not.
Tunnel. Lean with the tunnel.
Oh.
Lean with the tunnel.
Oh, it's sideways.
Lean not proud.
Bloody manor. Blood manor.
Do you want to play a game with me?
Oh.
Play a game with me.
Like Monopoly.
Play a game with me, please.
My game is one.
Don't forget it.
Into the fun house.
Oh God. Oh.
You don't want to stay! Stay with us!
Sorry. Hi.
They all want to keep us.
You want to stay and be a clown?
No. Oh, clowns, of course.
You look like you got a few tricks up your sleeve. I'm trying to freak show.
Oh wow. What is happening here? Wow. Oh, weird.
Oh, backwards walking.
Oh. Wow. Body bags. Oh. How do the body bags do? Oh God.
Oh
Oh my God.
no. And long.
It's forever. Woo.
These two.
Oh God. Wow. Ugh, disgusting. Yeah.
It's a
God.
nice smell.
Oh wow. There they are again. Oh, creepy.
Well, we made it through lots of twists and turns and probably the longest claustrophobia bag I have ever experienced, especially a crazy one when you're holding a camera. If you're south of Macon, come down and check out Lake Joy Trails of Terror. They're a haunt, and they're a haunt with a cause. They raise funds for cancer patients each year and also for playground for those with disabilities, an accessible playground. So come on out and spend an evening with Lake Joy Trails of Terror.